Beehiiv versus Mailchimp. Hi guys, today we're going to compare Beehiiv versus Mailchimp. Both are email newsletter softwares. In recent years, email newsletter software has become an essential tool for businesses wanting to effectively communicate with their audience. In this article, I'll be comparing two popular options, Beehiiv and Mailchimp. Both Beehiiv and Mailchimp are well known in the industry and offer a variety of features to help businesses create and send engaging newsletters. In my opinion, Beehiiv is far easier to use as I've always struggled to get my head around Mailchimp. I'm so happy that I've switched from Mailchimp to Beehiiv. Let's dive into the overview of Beehiiv. Beehiiv is the best newsletter software. It is an all-in-one platform for newsletters. It is a creator-friendly platform that makes it easy to design, write, send, and monetize newsletters. It allows creators to charge memberships for newsletters without taking a percentage of their revenue. It boosts features, allows creators to set their own price and only pay for active engaged subscribers. It provides a good SEO optimization, works as a blog and newsletter platform, enable businesses to forge closer connections with their audiences, freemium platform that provides both free and paid services, and built for growth and helps creators build and monetize their audience. Now let's dive into an overview of Beehiiv and Mailchimp. In this section, I will provide an overview of two popular email newsletter platforms, Beehiiv and Mailchimp. Both platforms have their unique features and advantages, so let's dive in and explore them. Beehiiv is a newsletter platform built for growth, offering tools and features that cater to the needs of successful newsletters. One of the main advantages of Beehiiv is its affordable and predictable pricing, which allows users to know their monthly rate without any surprises or overage charges. Beehiiv also charges no platform fees or revenue generated from subscribers. This platform is trusted by some of the top newsletters and provides an all-in-one solution that includes simple campaign creation, list building, and analytics. Beehiiv's simplicity makes it an excellent choice for writers and content creators who prefer a no-nonsense approach to their email marketing efforts. The Beehiiv dashboard above makes it easy to see your signups and write your email in the right section. Now let's jump into Mailchimp. Mailchimp is a well-known email newsletter platform that has been serving small businesses and individuals for many years. It is particularly popular for its simple one-off email campaigns and easy-to-use templates. Mailchimp offers a comprehensive set of features that go beyond email newsletters, including marketing, automation, CRM, and social media integration. This robust toolset can be both a strength and a weakness, as some of users may find the platform overwhelming or unnecessarily complex. In terms of pricing, Mailchimp's plans are structured differently than Beehiiv's, with the possibility for overage charges if you exceed your sending limits. This may be a drawback for your budget consciousness or those with fluctuating email volume. Now that we have explored both Beehiiv and Mailchimp, the following sections will delve deeper into their features, use cases, and pricing structures to help you make an informed decision about which email newsletter software is best suited to your needs. The pricing comparison. Here comes the pricing comparison. So I'm going to just open the pricing section for both of these. So here you can see Beehiiv has three plans: launch, grow, and scale. The launch is placed for $0, the grow for $42, and scale for $84. And in the Mailchimp, you get four plans. The four plans are premium, standard, essentials, and free. The free is of course for $0 per month, the essential for $542, and standard for $834, and premium for $14,604 per month. In the this section, I will discuss the features and functionality of Beehiiv and Mailchimp, comparing their capabilities in various aspects of email marketing. Email campaigns. As an email newsletter software, both Beehiiv and Mailchimp offer tools to create and manage email campaigns. Mailchimp is known for its user-friendly drag-and-drop email editor, which allows users to create visually appealing emails quickly. On the other hand, Beehiiv focuses on content-focused newsletters and publications, giving creators more control over the email aesthetics. Then comes the marketing automation. Both Beehiiv and Mailchimp provide marketing automation features, helping business automate their email marketing efforts. Mailchimp offers advanced automation capabilities, such as automatically sending personalized emails to customers based on specific triggers. Although I didn't find specific information on Beehiiv's automation features, it is mentioned that the platform includes growth tools as part of its all-in-one solution. Integrations. Integrating your email newsletter software with other platforms can streamline your workflow and increase productivity. Mailchimp is known for its vast array of integrations with various third-party apps, including CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and other marketing tools. For Beehiiv, it is easy to copy the sign-up form code and add it to your website. My final verdict on this is that after extensively researching and comparing Beehiiv and Mailchimp for email newsletter software, I have made some observations. Beehiiv is my email marketing platform for just getting started, and Mailchimp could be for you if you like a lot of extra features. Beehiiv is an excellent option for content-focused newsletters and publications, as it offers an all-in-one solution for websites, email, data analytics, and growth tools. It is the best platform for you if you just want to get started and write emails. Beehiiv provides ownership of your audience and custom aesthetics. The platform is free for lists with 2,500 subscribers or fewer and becomes more predictable in terms of cost as you grow. On the other hand, Mailchimp's most significant advantage is its generous free plan that includes essential email marketing features. It also offers a more robust set of tools for e-commerce businesses. However, Mailchimp's pricing structure can be less predictable and may lead to higher expenses as you grow your list. In summary, if you are a content creator or publisher looking for an all-in-one solution with affordable pricing and predictable cost, Beehiiv seems to be the better choice. If you're in e-commerce business or you prefer a more generous free plan, Mailchimp might be the right fit for you. I hope you found the video useful, and if you did, please leave in the comment section and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.